How to reset Fifth Third banking account password. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can reset Fifth Third banking account password. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Google in your device and in the search bar, type in Fifth Third Bank login. Navigate to the first thing on your interface that's gonna directly take you to their login portal. Now, if you forgot your password, click on this link just below the login button that says Forgot Login. Now, once you land on here, it says to reset your login, please tell us about yourself. That will ask you to enter some more user information. So, first of all, add your last name. Under that, you have to enter your social security number. Under that, again, add your zip code. Now, add your account or card number. Once you do that, tap on Next button. If prompted, provide some further information. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. And once you are done resetting your password, now you can log in back with your newly created password. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.